Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a domain in Hosting in a safe and step-by-step way. Whether you want to clean up old domains or remove a site you no longer use, I'll make sure you can do it confidently without losing important data. Stick around till the end because I'll also share key warnings to avoid mistakes. Access Hosting. First, open your browser and go to the Hosting website. This is your main hub for managing all your hosting services. Once you're there, click the login button at the top right and enter your account credentials. Navigate to the dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on the home section of your dashboard. Here, you can see all your linked hosting services. This is where the magic happens. Locate your website. On the left side menu, look for the website tab and click it. This section lists all the domains and websites associated with your account. Identify and delete the domain. Scroll through your domains and identify the one you want to remove. Once you found it, click the delete option next to that domain. Confirm the action. A confirmation dialog will appear. Here's the important part. Deleting a domain is irreversible. Once you confirm, the domain, along with all website files and associated emails, will be permanently removed. Before you delete, make sure to back up any important data linked to the domain. If you have emails, databases, or website files you might need later, download them first. And remember, once it's gone, there's no undo button. If you run into issues, Hostinger support and their online resources are there to help. And that's it. You now know exactly how to delete a domain in Hostinger safely. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy hosting tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.